Cars, Trucks, and More has a beautiful and loaded 2002 Ford F-150 crew cab. It's got the Lariat trim, so you know it's got all the options. Let's look, it's got some good tires there, running boards. It is two-wheel drive. It's got the truck cap. There's a bed liner in there as well. Let's see, Lariat. V8 Triton engine. Nice leather interior, very clean. It's got heated seats, all power options. It's a very nice truck. Alright, if you're looking for a truck this winter, we have plenty at Cars, Trucks, and More. We're located just east of downtown Howell at 861 East Grand River, across from Family Video. You can call our staff, 517-546-7000. We offer financing solutions to meet everyone's needs, good, bad, no, little credit. Fill out our loan app at ctmas.com.